Beat it up like.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So first, I got two things to I want to say first, two different things, but first let me just say my microphone ain't working. I sat down to do this video 3 times. I sat down to do this video and it didn't want to work, and I thought I fixed it 3 times and I didn't. So you're gonna hear a little bit of clacking, but you know, it should be livable, and I really wanted to do this makeup look, so yeah. Anyway, number 2 is I know I haven't done a makeup video in 10,000 bajillion trillion gabillion years, and sorry about that. I don't know, I just feel like makeup isn't really my thing to do. I like doing it, but it seems like y'all don't like watching my makeup videos, so I don't do them much. Like, I think of myself as a beauty guru, but I do a lot of hair, and y'all like the hair videos, but then I do makeup videos because I like making them, but apparently I don't like them. So it's like, do I keep doing them or do I not? But today I'm actually going to be showing you how I get this yellow look. I posted it on Instagram the other day and y'all loved it. I really love how yellow looks. Like, yellow is a vibe. I'm glad y'all can't see from here up, because this shirt does not know how to stay like this at all. Like, all you see is my bra. It's kind of weird. But yeah, yellow is a whole vibe. I love yellow, and I hope you guys do too. So if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching and let's get started. Okie dokie, so I'm gonna start off with my foundation. My face is already moisturized. Ooh, it's been so long. I haven't done a makeup video in forever. So I'm going to start off with this Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Concealer. And I actually really like using this as my foundation. This one is in the color 4N. I haven't found a foundation that I like recently. I don't know what's wrong with my skin, but anytime I put on a foundation, I just look crusty. So I've been using like concealers, and this concealer isn't heavy, and it leaves me like dewy looking, and I like that. My skin just don't know what it's doing, basically. I really haven't even been wearing foundation at all. So like on a daily, when I'm not doing anything or I'm not taking pictures, I'm probably not wearing foundation. And a lot of my pictures, I'm probably not even wearing foundation actually. Just saying. So you see how my face is like naturally glowy still? Yeah, that's what I like. Now for concealer, I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape in the color Tan Sand. You know, this concealer is the only concealer I like, but I cannot put it anywhere else besides under my eyes and right here. Otherwise, I look crusty. I don't know why I just look crusty all the time. I used to not be crusty. Now I'm just a crusty gal. Now I'm going to go ahead and set my face with my Mercier translucent powder. And I'm just going to set underneath my eyes and on my eyelids. Or just underneath my eyes actually. I'm not going to set on my eyelid because I want my what's it called, eyeshadow to stick. Now I'm gonna get my Sephora microsmooth powder in tan and this big old fluffy Morphe brush. I ain't got a Morphe code, so look somewhere else for that one. Can't save money for Morphe here. Voila. Now I'm just going to do my eyebrows. I'm going to use my Precisely Brow Pencil in the color 6. So basically, I just draw a line across the top very lightly to fill it in, to make it a little more thicker than a Snickers. And then I brush my eyebrows up. And then I just make hair-like strokes to fill it in. I like to make the end more defined. Defined, you know, that fun, trying to be fun. And then since I was using it, now it's like got a little point. So I use that little point to draw some little hair-like strokes right here in the front. Bam. Bazam. You see that? Yeah. Bazam. 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 Just like that. And then I go ahead and blend it out a little bit with the spoolie. I love this brow pencil. You be fire. You be, oh my gosh. You hear that clicking? That means it's all out. Okay, let me hurry up and finish this with this little bit and hope it finishes my eyebrow. To set my brows, I be extra, and I use 2 products. So I use the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter and then the Benefit Gimme Brow Plus. But anyway, these 2 together are magical. I like to get the clear one, the 24-hour, and then I just set my eyebrows. This thing right here, you go to sleep without taking off your eyebrows, you will wake up and your eyebrows will still be set in place. I tell you, it's like the strongest gel that be holding y'all's wigs down is in this bottle. I kid you not. So I go ahead and do that, and then I go ahead and get the Gimme Brow Plus. They actually have shade number 6 now, which I'm excited for because before 5 was too brown on me and my hair be black, so I need dark brows. So I like to use this afterwards, and it just darkens my brows, and I like to use it on the front a lot to thicken them brows up. I want to look like I got some thick brows, basically. You want them thick, just like you want your man's. Oh wait, or is that just me? I like thick guys. I really do though. It's funny because seems as if skinny guys are not my thing. I mean, I don't mind them, but I prefer a little more junk in the trunk. A little more thighs. I don't discriminate, but I'm saying thick thighs save lives. Okay, so now that the brows are done, see, you see them? They just look like done. Anyway, let me get to, what am I doing next? The eyes. That's what I'm doing next. So today I am using Lunar Beauty's Life is a Drag palette, Manny MUA. Okay. Yes. Anyway, this is his new palette, his first product from Lunar Beauty. I don't know if y'all can see my junk up there in the mirror. So there we go. These are the colors. It's super pretty. This is like a palette you can just take with you because it's got all your nudes, all your like everyday colors on this side, and then when you want to pop a color, it's on this side. So like keep this in your makeup bag. If you don't got it, get it. And I'm going to get the color Campy, the yellow one right here. So yeah, I'm just gonna get that color and we're just gonna dab it on the eyelid. I love yellows, man. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when something. Oh, you never know how much I love you. This is probably why I don't do makeup videos. I talk too much. Y'all hate them, apparently. And I literally just put it low on my eyelids like that. Because, and after that, I'm going to get this Venus 2 palette from Lime Crime. Yeah. And I'm going to get this color right here in the corner. This is called Mustard. And I'm just going to go ahead and get that color. I want to blend it out on the edges a bit. And then after that color, I'm going to get Sickening right here. And I'm going to use Manny's brush. And we're going to go ahead and go out on all of the edges and blend it all out. It's so sickening. Okay, then after that, I'm going to go back in with Campy, which is the yellow. And we're going to add some more of colors. And then lastly, I'm going to get some of Legendary right here. It's like a pretty gold color. And I'm going to put that in the inner corner of my eyes really quick. Bam! Okay, then after that, I'm going to go ahead and do a winged eyeliner. I'm using this Rimmel Wonder Wing liner. So just do a regular little winged liner, however you prefer to do it. Okay, I got my wing on. We ready to take flight. Now it's time to take even more flight and put on some lashes. The best lashes ever in the world. Do y'all know what those are? These are my Eyeliner times Jasmine Brown Curly Queen lashes. These are like my go-to lashes. They sent me a whole box of them. I got one more left after this. I'm pretty sad about that. Do I gotta go to Target and buy my own now? Like, isn't that weird? Walk up into Target like, hey, can I purchase this? And they're gonna be like, yeah. They probably wouldn't notice, actually. I'm just gonna use my House of Lashes glue. This is the only glue that I like and that works for me. Okay, my lashes are on and I'm gonna go ahead and curl them really quick with a eyelash curler. I usually do this after I do mascara, but I want to do it right now because I just want to. And now I'm going to put a mascara. I've been using this mascara ever since I went on a trip, and it's the best mascara ever. It's my Benefit Bad Gal Bang. Best mascara ever. If you haven't tried this, you gotta. Eyes are done. Let me finish my face. I'm gonna go ahead and use this Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer and deep tan. I'm gonna go ahead and bronze my face a bit. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use the NARS Wanted palette. This is their cheek palette. There's like two different kinds, and this is the kind for the darker skin tone, and I love this orange color right here. This one is Ambition. Oh my god. I'm just gonna go ahead and get a little brush, and we're just gonna dab, dab, dab. Oh, it's so pretty. I just love it. And it's got like a little glow to it too, so it gives you like a little bit of highlight. And then now for highlight, I'm actually going to use the Babe in Paradise. This is Redmond Rock and Morphe's collaboration. These highlights are bum diggity. I'm actually going to mix Vacation and Mahu together. It gives me a great glow. See that? I don't put highlight down the center of my nose. I like to put it on the sides of my nose. And then I'm just going to set my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. This thing, like, makes your face. Ready? Okay. Do not inhale. I sprayed too much. I was playing around too much. And now just to finish it off, I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. Gloss Bomb is perfect for anything, any look, basically. It just makes your lips juicy and it gives you a nice color. Like, ain't nothing better than that. Okay, and that was the final step to this yellow mellow You Are My Sunshine, My Only Sunshine makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I haven't done makeup tutorials in forever, but if you'd like for me to start doing them more, let me know in the comments below, and you know, of course, I will do what y'all want. But thank you everybody for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!